love you. And as a matter of fact, I don't want to love you. Because see, love is a word that's been watered down through time, and there's nothing watered down about the way I feel about you. And like so many that have been in love, the word love has been used, abused, lied to, cheated on, and sometimes even forgotten. So no, I don't want to love you. It used to be where the word love would pump brakes on conversations and leave you feeling utterly speechless. But see, now it's used to feel breaks in conversations and leave you wondering why you can't leave someone that's making you feel utterly useless. So no, I don't want to love you. But I do want to take those letters, flip them backwards, and use them at the beginning of the word evolve. Because see, I want us to grow into something that's indescribable by more than just one word. I want to make you like my childhood best friend that no matter how many times we hurt each other or beat each other up inside, we'll always make up again. I want to show you off to the world a permanent connection so perfectly passionate that I can place you on the opposite side of a jam-packed arena and look at you one time and have everyone know you're my girl. See, we were made from love. And in the end, that's all there ever be. And by you making me re-believe in love again, has helped me to find God again. Now, I know this may sound cliche, but see, you've given me something to live for, something to die for. And if I was to lose my mind and die and come back, I could still only love you. So no, I don't want to love you. Now, I know this may not seem like much to most. But see, you've given me something to live for, something to die for. And I said that. See, that's why I'm retiring the poems. So no, I don't want to love you. I need to. Thank you.